So you have your equation. Y is 1 over 5x plus 60. And now we're putting x is 1,000 into the equation and solving for y, or the cost. So we get y is 1 over 5 times 1,000 plus 60. 1,000 divided by 5 should give us 200 plus the initial cost of 60. So in this case, it costs us $260 to travel that distance. Each kilometer costs 20 cents if you want to think of it that way. 1,000 times 20 cents. You can go from there. Okay, now I was thinking square. I actually used unit conversion to do h. Is that okay? How much would it cost? Yeah, you might run into problems with the initial cost, but if you've accounted for that, then that's fine. The last part of the question, it says the cost was $12 or $300. So this is saying the cost, 300, which we're calling y. It's 300. So if we take our equation again, y is mx plus b. Our equation now is y is 1 over 5x plus 60. And it's saying, okay, the cost was 300. How far did you go? So 300 is equal to 1 over 5 times the distance plus that initial cost of 60. So we're going to solve for the only variable we have left, or x. So I'm going to subtract 60 from both sides. I'm going to get 240 is equal to 1 over 5 times x. Multiply both sides by 5 to get rid of the fraction. And 240 times 5 is going to give me 1,200. And in this case, this 1,200 is 1,200 kilometers, is going to cost $300. So there you have it. That is the slope-intercept form in a nutshell. Alex, did you sort out that question you'd asked earlier with the slope equation stuff? Just want to make sure you kind of wrapped your head around it. Maybe while I take a peek at the learning guide, you can tell me if you got it sorted out. So the slope formula stuff, question number 6 would have been, you got it, perfect. Question number 6 kind of would have been what Alex was talking about. Slopes of the lines, you guys should be masters at this stuff now. And given the slope of a line and a coordinate, 2 other points on the line, find the unknown value. So Alex was doing a question like this. He was a bit ahead of us. So we're using the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What you're doing is saying, okay, the slope is 5 over 6, and then you're picking points. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, and then plug them in. So y2 was a, which I'm trying to find, minus y1, which was 15. And then x2 was 14, minus x1, which was 20. The order doesn't matter. If you called this your second point and this your first point, you're still going to end up at the same spot. So your signs will be flipped, but it'll all work out. So you can do that. And then the idea here is that you're going to solve for a. I'll have some time to do some of those next day if you guys have a few questions about them. So we should be good there. Number 10 is really similar to the stuff we've been doing, except it says a slope of 2. Remember, negative 2 is negative 2 over 1. So you might want to just change that. Might make your life easier. Slope-intercept form, you should be good. Number 4 is just asking you to rearrange it to get it, so you're going to solve for y. So you want it to look like y is equal to mx plus b. So that's the trick there. Number 5 and 6, we did examples like that. Number 7 should be good. So we didn't do parallel and perpendicular lines, so this is the end of lesson 2 here, midway through page 5. So lesson 2 will take us that far. I'm going to leave it there for now. I'll have time, lots of time tomorrow to answer questions, and we'll do lesson 3. Hopefully you can finish the Unit 5 exam today. I noticed a few more Unit 5 learning guides have trickled in. If you need any help on any of this Unit 6 stuff, anything from Unit 5 or before, I'll be available today from 1 to 3. Hopefully we'll see some of you here. And we have a movie on Thursday and archery on Friday, which is going to be very cool. So hopefully we'll see you in the next couple days. If not, I'll see you online tomorrow. Thanks.